was Rahira, just because of the new songs that she taught us and all the fun stuff, activities and all the actions to them. What would I change? I wouldn't change anything because the past few days, we just perfect, and I just loved everything that we did. What would I keep? How people you guys and obviously the food.
Yeah, you're your mama's daughter.
What am I grateful for? I'm grateful that I could come here and spend time with all you guys and get to know you. All the stuff that I learned, I would probably take all the songs and actions that I learned with Rahira and probably teach them to my class so that we can just do an activity or something, and probably teach the song that my group made. Person I'd like to thank. I'd like to thank all of you guys. My mom. But the first person that came to mind was Courtney. Because she just makes me happy. What's next? At school, I just like to advance in Kapaka and to be more of a leader.